Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Sonic mukbang. I'm right here with my brother, but he doesn't want to come out in the video, so that's fine for me. Whatever he wants. So I got the tender chicken dinner. I think that's what it's called. Ooh. It comes with 1 onion ring and 2 toasted bread, or I don't know how you call it, and then some tater tots with 3 pieces of tenders, and then I got some marinara sticks. I got the 4-piece one, which is the small, and then I got myself a corn dog. So much food, you guys. And then I got marinara sauce. I also asked for I think it's called the signature sauce, but they didn't give it to me. Oh well. And then I got myself a water. I like how they put like a little candy on the waters. They're like unique. So I know you guys are gonna be like, wow, Daisy, like you went to Sonic, they have like so many options for drinks and you chose water. But oh well, I don't really care. So I think we're gonna try these first. Oh, I really wish I got the signature sauce.
Here, I don't want it.
No, not that. I got that, but they didn't give me the signature sauce. Press the red button. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna dig in my marinara sticks.
And there you go. Sorry about that, you
Thank
guys.
you.
Have a good night.
You too.
You're welcome.
Okay. So this is how they look. They look really good. The creamy marinara. That's what it's called, creamy marinara. Okay.
What is it about? It's just their own chicken twist?
I don't know what it has, but it sounds good, I guess.
It's like mustard and shit. Or like a sweet mustard.
These are really good and cheesy. It smells like mustard. So I'm gonna go in with the chicken tenders.
But it's not bad because it's sweet.
It's probably like honey mustard with ketchup or something. I'm gonna try
No,
it.
it's more like barbecue with mustard mix.
They're hot.
It's straight out barbecue and mustard. Huh.
But it tastes really good.
It is that though.
Yeah, I like it.
It has hella more barbecue. It's like 80% barbecue. No, 70% barbecue and 30% mustard. Huh.
Yeah. I just came out of work, guys, and it's 10:30 right now, I think. I don't know what time it is, but it's late already. And I invited my brother to eat because we're hungry. That's why I got a lot of food.
This shit's fucking bomb.
I love Sonic. Look.
Hi Daisy. You love Sonic.
Okay,
Sonic
so
doesn't love you.
yesterday, since I haven't recorded for you guys in a really long time, I did a salad mukbang yesterday and I was gonna upload it. I took my time to edit it and everything, and guess what? I got copyrighted. Because my brother...
It ain't my fault. Gee, it ain't my fault.
Now he wants to come out in the video.
Check this shit out.
Ooh, that's the footlong?
Yeah.
The footlong chili cheese dog, huh? Well, he was playing music in the background for a little bit, so I was like, maybe I won't get copyrighted because it's a little bit, you know, like, oh well. And I got blocked. So I had to delete my video. which is fine. It's like whatever. Like, the salad was delicious and everything, but oh well, it's fine. Here's the tater tot. Ooh, the signature sauce is actually good. And then the toast. This kind of reminds me of like the Dairy Queen dinner. The Dairy Queen chicken strips. I like Dairy Queen's toast better. It's like more buttery. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my corn dog. It's really good.
Pinche hot dog todo quemado.
It's perfect like that. I like golden brown. Last time we came, I got a corn dog, and the sausage was cold in the inside, in the middle. Like, they didn't cook it well, and I was debating if I should have get another one because I don't like cold sausages. But it's pretty good today. I think last year was my first time coming here, and I love it. Can't believe I missed out in so many years. It's probably like my third or fourth time coming here. And it's bomb. And one onion ring, guys. One onion ring comes in this meal.
One only?
Yeah. Which is fine, I guess.
That's fucked up. At least 3.
Pretty good. With ranch. You guys, I'm telling you, like, if you haven't come to Sonic, you're missing out. I love their mott sticks.
This is fucking bomb.
Ooh, look at that.
You guys gotta work out every day so you guys could eat this shit without feeling bad about it. All this junk food.
I don't even work out.
30-minute jog every day. You could eat whatever the fuck you want.
My brother goes running in the morning to the river for like an hour, no? Without stopping. Which is really good. And me, I recently started going to the river, but I just jog a little bit and walk fast because I still can't run fast. I get tired quick. Oh my god, my food is so good. I haven't even ate my tater tots. You guys really need to try their signature sauce. I like it. I know some people wouldn't like it because of the mustard, but it tastes good to me.
Their signature sauce, just literally just barbecue and mustard though.
But it tastes bomb.
I'm more on other fucking.
You're gonna order more? Yeah, go for it.
Oh, maybe cheese sticks. I don't know. I'm thinking.
Ooh,
About.
the mozzarella sticks are so good, huh? They're like really cheesy.
Oh yeah, they have a smaller.
Hey, get chicken tender. I'm getting full.
And they have a smaller.
That one.
Corn dog.
Let me know if you guys like my mukbangs, and I'll record more because I love to eat. That I could record it. I'm not a picky eater.
Hell yeah.
I am not a picky eater. Example, please.
You don't like sushi?
I love sushi, boy. Oh, excuse me. I didn't think it was gonna be that loud. Oh my god, I haven't even showed you guys my food. I'm just like showing you guys like when I'm eating, like when I lift something up, that's when you see it. But it's kind of hard to do a mukbang in a car. I just need this of my corn dog. I have a little bit of toast, a lot of tater tots, 1 mott stick, and
Let me just order.
1 chicken tender.
This time.
I could buy it for you.
Montreal next time, man. Yep.
The red button isn't working anymore? Oh.
Yeah.
Every time I hang out with my brother, we're always eating.
Welcome, Sonic. My name's Cassandra. Unfortunately, we're only doing drive-thru at the moment.
Okay. That's okay.
Did you guys need something?
No, it's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Get a chicken tender or a mott stick. Because I ate a lot of food already. What are you gonna get?
For good.
We could go right now. When I'm done eating.
Yeah.
It's so cold. It's like 40 degrees. Get some tater tots. I'm full. So, since it's late already, first, before this, we went to Panda Express and they were gonna close in 30 minutes, so they were running out of everything. I asked for honey walnut shrimp, they didn't have it. I asked for rangoons, cream cheese rangoons, and they didn't have some. I asked for spring rolls, they didn't have some. I'm like, ugh, everything I'm asking for, they don't have any, so I was like, whatever. And then my brother just said, you want to go to Sonic? And I was like, that sounds delicious. So let's go. And then we came to Sonic and we were in a little drive-thru thingy. We were in number 14 and they were like, we were literally waiting for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes, just sitting there waiting for them to answer us. And then the lady comes and she's like, we're sorry, like 14 through 16 don't work. And we're like, oh my gosh, like we were waiting for so long. So, and they didn't have a sign or nothing. So, here we are. Get more.
No, I'm good.
The signature sauce on a tater tot. You guys should let me know what's a good editing app for Android. I have a Samsung Note 9. I am so full. I have like 8 tater tots left. After so many attempts trying to upload a video, I hope this one is for sure gonna be uploaded because
Should we do?
yeah.
You ready?
Let me just put this in the trash. So we're leaving already. I hope you guys really liked this mukbang. Let me know if you guys did. Can't open this candy. Well, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.